Hey everyone, so welcome back. So let's start with our second room, that is room 404. So let's click on the room. If you want to watch this video, you can also watch it out. So I'm directly going to the task one, and I'm going to start this lab mission, and I'm not using attacker mission. I'm going to use my own mission. So we have started. It is taking 52 seconds, almost 1 minute it will take to start it. So here we can see in the task one, the points are 30 and the category is web. So it is a web-based CTF, we can say. It is a web-based challenge. And the difficulty is, it is saying it is very easy. Let's see how much time it will take us to complete this room. And here is the concrete briefing. Let's read it out. He booked the quiet room. It's not on floor plan. So he booked a room that is not actually in the floor plan, not even in the brochure, not on any door. But port 8080 is wide open, and the room seat never list are one worth finding. So here is a welcome message. Welcome to the White Lotus where the Wi-Fi is open and the app is free and the concierge already knows your coffee order. You spend these first days as a guest who simply notices things. Okay. Uh, a room that is not on the floor plan packets that leave every night. It is seen over. A profile assembled from two breakfast and a live stream. The White Lotus guest experience more from no hurry and night shift development. Okay, we have successfully read this concrete briefing. Let's read this today ignorance also. So it is saying us to dump the exposure source code. That means the source code is exposed, I think. And the second thing is find the flag from the expose. I think we have to find the flag from the exposure source code. So let's get started. And here we can see it is a web based and we have to enumerate the directories. That means maybe some hidden pages or something. So let us access this page. I'm going to copy this lab nation and I'm going to open my Kali mission and I'm going to open the browser. Okay, I'm going to visit this. Okay, it has successfully opened. So let's surf in this website. Let's see. Click on reverse. It is showing error 404 and let's try to visit the pages. Nothing. Let's click on the view source code because in the description we can see it is exposed source code. So let's click right click and click on view page source. Let's see the source code. It is like simple basic HTML and it is a JavaScript. I think the code is obfuscated. That's why it is like this. And we can see all the navigation bar is designed, but the reference link is not linked. It was null, and it was a booking page. We cannot find out. It is showing error 404. So let's try to enumerate the directories. At the first, I am going to use dir. Uh, I'm going to use this. Okay. I'm going to click enter. Let's find out any hidden directories. Okay, we have found one. Let's wait for others, or else till that we will just go with this. Just click Control and press on this link. It will open. Okay, it has downloaded a file. Let's open this. It's unsecure, we can identify until- Okay, it's nothing. Let's keep it aside. And we can see here, if we notice clearly, in this, there is a .git file. If you don't know what is .git, just Google it. It um, actually, it has to be very private and it should not be exposed in any web server. If .git file got exposed in any web server, we can able to download the entire source code and we can view anything uh, in this website. It can also, I will also show you what is this .git. What will happen if .git is. You can see here, when a .git folder is exposed on a public web server, attackers can download your complete version history, steal private source code, and extract hidden payloads. This usually happens when a developer copies the whole project folder to a live server instead of moving the build files. So I think you got to know we found this .git that gives us entire source code. Here you can see still private source code. Okay. Now let's visit let's visit let's visit each and every page. Okay. Here something initial byte loaders guest platform. Okay. And head we have already downloaded and I'm clicking on branches. It's there nothing and the config. Let's open this. Here we show okay and description unnamed repository. Edit this file description to name the repository. And here are the hooks. Okay, I think these are the hooks. Let's come back and index. Mm, why it's not opening? Index application. Uh, okay, I think the landing page it is info exclude. There is something exclude. Retailers. Project mostly. Okay, so we have to enumerate each and everything to find the flag. Okay, here is a main file. Is there anything? No. And then objects. You cannot find. Let's dump this source code. We can as it is as we have found .git file, we can dump this source code using git dumper. So using our terminal. So let's open. Uh, let's copy this. Mm, That's right. It's internal, right? HTTP. Oh, okay. The Git dumper is not installed. Let's install it. Okay. It goes an error. Let's break the system packages. Okay, we have successfully installed this Git dumper. Let's try to dump it. Git dumper error following documents. Okay, we have to specify our output also. Uh, Source and specifying this file. Okay, it was successfully dumped into source folder. I'm going to place this. Okay, we can successfully see the source folder. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to move to this directory as we can see. So here is our JavaScript code and it is our HTML. So let's view all the files at and.js. So here is a simple JavaScript code. Here we have not find any flag. Let's view index or HTML. Here is the HTML code which we have seen in the view page source, and the remaining is readme.md. Let's read that also. Cat readme.md. Okay, here we got the flag. So we have successfully found this flag. Just copy this. So we have successfully found this flag and completed this today's room. So see you in the next room. Bye bye.